We all know that you need to protect the coaxial connections for Bentley Nevada cables, but silicone tape is not the answer. Using the silicone boot kit, you can add a custom protective boot to the coax connectors after the cable has been installed in the conduit. I will first demonstrate an installation on the probe end. The probe has a male coax connector and therefore requires the male threaded insertion tool. The tool is threaded onto the coax connector, and a liberal amount of lubricant is used to cover the surface of the tool. Select the proper boot for the cable. For male connectors, the longer silicone boot is used. Thread the rod into the narrow end of the boot. The hooked end of the tool can be used as a handle to force the boot over the connector. Once the boot has been installed on the cable, remove the tool and wipe off any excess lubricant. Next, locate the female insertion tool and install on the female end of the extension cable. The female boot is installed in the same manner as the male boot. The female coax connector will be slightly shorter than the male boot. When the probe is attached to the extension cable, the boots can be slid over the coax connection, forming a tight seal.